Hmong men take self-responsibility. Despite the passage of time, many Hmong men still find themselves affecting with the scars of war traumas that their Hmong patriarchal ancestors endured and rippled into their life as second generation in America. They struggle with a sense of loss and identity crisis, as they lack a country to relate to. While Hmong men yearn for change, they feel pressured by clan dogma, rituals, and traditions that are deeply ingrained in their culture. A new generation had forgotten its Hmong ancient ancestors' wisdom and knowledge. However, in order to adapt to the new era, Hmong men must be willing to break down these traditions and embrace new ways of thinking. It may be difficult, but it is not impossible. By opening their minds, spirits, and souls to new possibilities, Hmong men can create a brighter future for themselves and their community. Let us inspire each other to let go of the past and embrace the future with open arms and self-responsibility to be the best versions we can be.